In this video, I'm going to show you the exact secret method which I use to write the titles of my product. Because as you all know that your Amazon product title is something that plays an important role in your ranking and in bringing traffic to your listing so you can get more and more orders. So right after watching this video, you will be able to completely write your optimized title like I do, and with the help of these titles, I actually get more and more sales. So this method is completely free and it's too much workable because I have tried it myself many times. Because when some buyer go on Amazon to purchase a product, they just go there, search the keyword of that product, and then Amazon shows them many listings for that keyword. And those listings which Amazon show to those sellers are 30% based on their titles and 70% on some other things like listing optimization, keyword search term, bullet point, description, and images. So all of these, the title plays the main role because the title is something that people can see first. So that is the reason your title must be 100% optimized so it can be readers friendly and SEO friendly as well. So let's learn how we can just write the killer title for your Amazon FBA listing right now in 5 minutes. So as you can see that this is my 1 week sales, and if I put the filter for past 1 year and click on apply, so you can see that this is my 1 year sales. You can see that throughout the year I got consistent sales and my sales actually increased in December, which was Christmas season. So around 150k was the revenue, and the cool thing about this is that the PPC spend was very less for the lifetime. So basically I don't do any magic, I only use common sense and use some tips and tricks which I've already explained you in these videos. So if you also want to learn all of those tips, tricks and strategies, you can just go on my Amazon playlist on YouTube and learn all the tips for free just to get the revenue like this. Alright guys, so in order to write the perfect title for your Amazon FBA listing, you first need to find out 3 of your top competitor and then copy their title and then do the reverse analysis of those titles to see what signs your competitors are actually using to write their title. That's why they are getting too much sales and ranking. So for that, you just need to go on Amazon, click on these 3 dots, and here go on brands and click on brand analytics. And after clicking on this free tool, click on Amazon search terms. So here you will be redirected to this page called brand analytics. And here you can just select your Amazon market, like in this case mine is Amazon.com, and here in this field you need to type the main keyword of your product. For example, in my case it is goalkeeper gloves. So let's type that, goalkeeper gloves, and after typing your main keyword, change this tab from weekly to monthly and click on apply. So here after clicking on apply, you can see Amazon is showing you some main keyword of your particular product. For example, Amazon is telling me like the people who are actually looking to purchase this product are searching goalkeeper gloves, Adidas goalkeeper gloves skates, soccer gloves goalkeeper, and soccer goalkeeper gloves. We can just exclude these keywords which include brand name like Adidas, Nike, and so on. So let's suppose for now we take only this keyword like goalkeeper gloves. So if we scroll on right side, we can see Amazon is showing the SFR, which is also called search frequency rank, and for this keyword it is 235,000. So that is a very good number. That means people are searching this keyword very oftenly. So when we go on right side, so Amazon is showing us that for this keyword, these are the main 3 competitors who are actually ranking on top and who are actually performing best. So here this is the competitor number 1 for this keyword. So let's open this listing, click on there, click on view Amazon product page, go again there, close this and go to the second competitor, which is this one. So let's open this one as well, click on Amazon product listing, go back, close this window, and now go to the third one, which is this one. So now after opening this listing, go back again here, and here you can see that we have actually found the 3 best performing competitors for this keyword which are getting good sales rank, good clicks, good BSR, and good revenue. So that means these are our top competitor, and if we follow their guidelines, if we follow the science behind their title and copy the exact strategy on our title, so our product title can improve a lot, and that can bring us a lot of traffic and a lot of sales. Because as you can see here in these column, click share and conversion share, you can see for this listing the click share is 11% and the conversion share is 13%. For this listing, click share is 7.4% and conversion share is 8.3%. So let me just quickly explain you what this is. For example, the click share here is 11%. That means if 100 people see this listing, so 11 out of those 100 people click on this listing. And conversion share 13% means if 100 people click on this listing, that means 13 people purchase from this listing. So that is a very good number, around 10. So if you also make your conversion rate or clickable rate more than 10%, then you can definitely get more and more traffic and more sales. And once you start getting more and more sales, Amazon's algorithm will automatically promote your product to other buyers who are actually looking to purchase your product on Amazon. So now go on these three listings one by one and copy their title. So as you can see here, this is one of the best performing listings for this product, and you can see that their pricing is $12.89, their reviews are 3,621, and they're actually having the #1 bestseller badge also. So just copy the title from here and then open a website, letter count. Go on Google, click letter count, and from here click on this first link. So now paste your first title here. Now click enter and go to second listing. Copy the title from here. Right click, go there and paste it. Now come to second line here and go on third listing. Copy the title and paste here. So you can see that the total character count for these three titles is 322. So as there are 3 and we need the average number, so open the calculator here. Type 322 divided by 3, which is 107.3, almost 108. So that means our ID title should contain 108 characters. So now we know the limit in which we need to write our title. However, Amazon is allowing us 200 character limit, but here in Amazon case, if we want to rank high and get more clicks, so we don't need to fill out all of those 200 characters. We must need to write our title within this limit, which is 108. So now let's close this one and copy these three titles and paste them into a Word document. So now from here we need to find out the primary keywords and the secondary keywords and then merge all of those keywords to make your title under the limit of 108 characters. So from there you can see that IFA Sports is the brand name. So we can just leave that for now. And then if we start reading the first title, which is Soccer Goalie Goalkeeper Gloves. And here if we see on the second title, it is Soccer Goalkeeper Gloves for kids. And the third one is Soccer Goalie Goalkeeper Gloves for kids boys. So that means soccer, goalkeeper, gloves for kids. So this must be the main keyword. So let's just highlight this one. And now from these titles, we know that the people who are actually looking to purchase this product want strong grips palm. So this must be the feature and this must be added into the title because people are searching for it. So let's just highlight this one. We can find people also want these gloves for boys, children and youth football. And here the same, kids, boys, children, football, but no youth word here. And if we go on the first title, gloves for kids, boys, children. So we can just make our title just like this: soccer goalkeeper gloves for kids and strong grip palms, goalie gloves for children, youth, football. And on the starting of your title, you can just put your brand name. So here you can see that we have just combined the three titles, like we have just combined some main keywords with main features which people are actually searching on Amazon. So we basically pick out some useful keyword and words from all of these top 3 performing titles and make our own title, which include all of those keywords and which is 100% SEO friendly and readers friendly. So let's read this title right now. Soccer goalkeeper gloves for kids, strong grip palms, goalie gloves children, youth football. So that means these are the goalkeeper glove which can be used for soccer, football, and that kids, youth and children can use which play football or soccer. And here we have just mentioned the main feature, which is strong grip palm. That means when they wear these gloves, so these gloves will be strong from their palm so they don't get any injury. So this was only one of the examples, and believe me, I have write so many titles from this example by just following the same method step by step. I just go on Amazon, find 2, 3 or maybe 5 of the main competitor, copy their title and grab all of those main keyword and features from their title and combine the title within the limit of that character. So just copy our new title and paste that title here in character count so we can just calculate the character. If we click on count character, and we were aiming for under 108. So this can be the ID title for your listing if you follow this method. So right after watching this video, go there, find your competitors and copy their title and make your title more beautiful than your competitor so you can get more and more sales and more revenue as a new seller. Because if you are a new seller, you will be having no sales history, no reviews. So your title can actually play an important role in booming your listing and in boosting your Amazon FBA sales. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.